Okay everyone, if you want to see the large menu like this, or you want to just see the small menu like this on your Samsung Smart TV, this is called the enlarge the size of your menu area. You can now go to the TV setting by just press this button, setting on your remote control. Or if you can't find that button on your remote control, so now just press to the left until you can see the word setting here. Select on it, and now just go to general, select on it, accessibility, and this time you will see the word enlarge. Go to that one as I showed at the beginning, and now your menu size become bigger. And to off it and back to the normal size, just untick it, and that it's now on the normal side of your TV setting. Okay, so that's it. That is all for today's video of how you can enlarge the size of your menu area in your Samsung Smart TV. And now thanks for your time watching this video, and I hope to see you again in the next video. Bye bye and have a nice day.